cowboy riding easy with the sun, swaying in my saddle till my day's work is done. Never wanted to be anything but this. Riding, roping, branding is a buckaroo's bliss. When daylight's gone, it's riding forth watch through the night. Darkest just before the dawn, the stars are shining bright. I wait the pre-dawn light for the time to come to swing the stride and start to riding easy with the sun.
Riding out here on the prairie, there's wonders for to see. All of God's creation is awaiting each day for me. Azure skies and emerald streams where the prairies sweep away. But when that big old sun rolls out, you can hear this cowboy say,
I'm just a cowboy riding easy